How to remove a watermark on TikTok video. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can remove a watermark on TikTok. Now if you open up TikTok app, you'll get an interface like this here that you can see on the screen. If you head into your profile, tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now if you download any video here, you'll get a watermark on any video you download on TikTok. Now the trick here to remove a watermark is, what you want to do is tap on the three dots option that you can see along with the video. Now what you want to do is simply copy the link. Now once you copy link, you want to head to your browser and search in for snaptik.com or snaptik.app. You'll be headed to this page here, and what you want to do is paste the link here. Simply tap on paste link and paste link here and simply download this here, and you'll find the link to download. If you download it from here, there will be no watermark shown on your video. So this is the way you can remove a watermark on TikTok video. You can download it through this website here. Any video that you want, you can copy the link and download it through this website, and there'll be no watermark on video. So this way you can remove a watermark on TikTok video. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.